Hello and good morning. This is TradersClub24. My name is Christian and welcome to our daily market opening trade. Today, Monday, the 4th of June, and it's the first Monday of the new month. Currently 8:53, and we are preparing ourselves for the first trade, for the market opening impulse, which happens every day at 9 a.m. So in order to trade that impulse, we are operating with two pending orders, which I'm going to place like this. First, I click on the right hand side, box lines, which are currently switched off. Now I click on it, and you see the green and the red line, both are pending orders. So we let ourselves stop into the trade. Size, target, that's already set, and I just need to click on entry. So these pending orders are now activated. And whether we see a new daily high or a bit of a correction. Once that happens, we'll see, or you see the blue line, which represents our take profit. So far, we have a very, very good trading range of the first hour of trading of 80 points-ish. So that's much higher than usual. And there it just happens. We got triggered into our first trade. Here's the blue line. And I'll be back in a couple of moments once the market has opened, or maybe if we are already out of the market before 9 a.m. So a couple of moments to go, and it is 9 a.m. here in Germany, German time. We are still in our first trade. Alright, now it's getting active, trading at new daily heights so far, and just one more point to get out of the trade which just happened now. Successful trade number 404 in a row, trading the market opening impulse with the DAX. So very successful stuff. Again, for the record, let me draw in the trade here for you one more time. And good morning. So my colleagues just arrived. So very flexible working times here at the Traders Club. Okay. So entry, exit, and I'll say thanks very much for watching this short video. Please stay tuned. Click on subscribe if you like our opening trades, and if you do have any questions, even though our website is not translated into English language yet, please contact us and we'll be happy to help you. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye-bye.